YGIG! Hello, hello everyone, I'm YGIG again. Kumusta po kayo? Hello everyone, I'm YGIG Hazelin. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Hello po everyone, I'm YGIG Meg. What's up everyone, I'm YGIG June. Ayan, kamusta naman po kayo? Okay lang ba? Nag-enjoy? Okay, sa mga hindi pa nakakilala sa amin, we are YGIG, which means you go, I go, and nag-debut po kami noong November 2022 under Tatang Robin. Yes! And that song that we just performed is our debut single called Shaba Shaba, and you can listen to it sa all of our streaming platforms. And if you want to learn more about us, you can check us out on YGIG_official. Once again, it's YGIG_official. Please give us lots of love and support, guys.